Hey yo, I got some free bars for y'all. Check it out though. I might fuck up, but it's cause I legit just finished writing this shit, you know what I mean? So here we go though. I say, growing up I had to learn things the hard way. Like ducking all of the lights like I was Kanye. Making good music but serving fiends with that bomb, yay. Bar after bar I kill it, I'm in their head like Garnier. These niggas all plastic, they hate cause I'm with a Barbie. My rhymes are barbaric, you seeing me fellas hardly ever gon' happen. I'm clapping your sergeant, boy if it's for the money I'm gift rapping your artist. Niggas know I'm gifted, get lifted, that's regardless. I'ma end it all since you the reason that it started. Special Olympics, throw on a track, I go retarded. I got no deal, hip hop's restraining order is on me, my army set new world orders, knocking the wall down, attaching all of the borders. Glad that my mom loved me, my daddy wanted me aborted. That just motivates me to stack bread like a hoarder. But then it put rappers under pressure to go harder. And if they disrespect me, my team bombing them like mortars. Lord is my witness, we clicks it departed. Brain on the ceiling, your walls are full of organs. You doning, condoning, it's a chain I'll be sporting. Niggas talking like they hot, but they are not important. I do this on the regular, they regular, I'm potent. I'm mixing up some medicine, the fiend say it's a potion. Causing tsunamis, dropping my chain in the ocean. Niggas be scoping you, getting hit in the open field. I'm in the field, shot the young stuff, that nigga real. Hip hop gon' dive down, give a mass artist a deal. I'm starving for real, I feel I never had a meal. Couple $100 grand is good, see I don't need a meal. Just trying to take my family out the hood and see how it feel. Still keeping it real, I don't give a fuck how you feel. They say the boy's heartless, I feel my chest never gonna fill up unless it's clouds of the smoke of the skunk. I'm bumping yellow wolf, so don't make me go and pop the trunk. Anyways, that was just me fucking around, but I hope y'all niggas fucks with it. Stealth, I fucks with you. The music is ridiculous. Shout to Get Your Bread Up, my GMN niggas, my C.C squad, Mass Mob, Circus Wicked, Ozzy X. We fucking on. My nigga Kato, that shit was popping your party. Holla.